Hi everyone! Do you love kimchi? But find it too complicated to make? Today, I will show you the easiest vegan kimchi you will ever make. Check the description for full measurement. First, take 1 head of Napa cabbage and half a radish. Cut them into bite-sized cubes. This is called Mak-Kimchi, which means roughly made or easy kimchi. Traditionally, Koreans use coarse sea salt, but this time I will use table salt, which is easier to find. I'll make a salt bath. Dissolve 2/3 cup of salt in 2 liters of water. Table salt is denser than coarse sea salt. Make sure the salt dissolves completely. Soak the veggies. Let them take a salt bath for about 2 hours until they become flexible. During this time, flip them every 30 minutes. The bowl is too small, so I used 2 extra bowls. Now, let's make the base sauce. Traditionally, Korean boilers start to make a paste, but we are going to skip that step today. Instead, we will use leftover cooked rice. No rice? You can use oatmeal instead. In a blender, combine an onion, minced garlic, sugar, cooked rice, soy sauce. Add water to help it blend. Blend until smooth. Stir in Gochugaru. 2 cups might be spicy for beginners. You can start with 1 cup and add more to suit your taste. Look at this. The cabbage stems have become flexible. Rinse the cabbage and radish in cold water to remove the extra salt, and then drain them well. Now, pour that beautiful red sauce over the veggies. Mix with your hand. It's the best way to get every piece coated. Wow, look at the color! You can eat this right away like a fresh salad. Leave it at room temperature for a day to ferment. I will show you what the next day looks like at the end of this video. I couldn't resist and brought a bowl of rice. The kimchi isn't quite ripe yet, but I'll just try a little. The white stems aren't quite seasoned yet, but the leaves are already delicious. One more bite. Each crunch, healthy and 100% vegan. If you try this at home, let me know how it tasted. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your meal.